Hello, explorers. Welcome to a journey beyond the ordinary, where the boundaries of reality blur and the extraordinary becomes possible. Have you ever dreamt of flying, of feeling the wind beneath your wings as you soar through the sky, free from the constraints of gravity? Or perhaps you've imagined traveling through the vast expanse of the cosmos, visiting distant stars and unknown planets, exploring the mysteries of the universe. Well, with astral projection, that dream can become a reality. Imagine being able to leave your physical body behind and embark on incredible adventures in the astral plane. This guide is your beginner's map to navigating the exciting world of astral travel. We'll provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to start your journey. Get ready for an amazing adventure. Astral projection is like a journey outside your body, where you can explore realms beyond the physical. It's safe and natural, and anyone can learn how to do it. With practice and patience, you'll be able to experience the wonders of the astral plane. Imagine the peace and tranquility you'll feel as you meditate and prepare for your astral journey. It's a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. Are you ready to discover what wonders await you beyond the physical world? Let's begin. Together, we'll explore the techniques and practices that will help you achieve astral projection and unlock the secrets of the universe. So, take a deep breath, relax, and open your mind to the possibilities. The journey to the astral plane is about to begin, and it's going to be an experience like no other. Welcome to Astral Adventures. Imagine this. You're lying in bed, deeply relaxed. Your mind is calm and your body feels weightless, as if you're floating on a cloud. Suddenly you feel a lightness, a feeling of floating. It's as if gravity has released its hold on you, and you're gently rising above your bed. You open your eyes and realize you're looking down at your own body. It's a surreal experience, almost like you're a spectator in your own life. Don't worry, you're not dreaming. This is a phenomenon known as astral projection, where your consciousness separates from your physical form. This, my friends, is astral projection. It's an ancient practice that has been explored by mystics and spiritual seekers for centuries. In simple terms, astral projection is when your soul or consciousness separates from your physical body. This allows you to experience the world from a different perspective. You're connected by an invisible cord, so it's perfectly safe. This cord ensures that you can always return to your physical body whenever you choose. This astral body is free to explore other realms, dimensions, and even different planes of existence. Imagine the possibilities of visiting places beyond our physical world. You can even travel through time and space. Some believe that through astral projection, you can visit past lives, future events, or distant galaxies. The universe becomes your playground, and the only limit is your imagination. Many who practice astral projection report encounters with spiritual guides, ethereal beings, and even loved ones who have passed on. These experiences can be profoundly transformative and enlightening. When you're ready to return, you simply focus on your physical body, and the invisible cord gently guides you back. You wake up feeling refreshed, with a new perspective on life. Many people keep journals of their astral journeys, noting down the places they've visited and the insights they've gained. It's a way to track your spiritual growth and understand the deeper aspects of your consciousness. So, if you're curious and open-minded, why not give astral projection a try? It might just open up a whole new world of possibilities for you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Happy travels, fellow explorers. Why would anyone want to leave their comfy body behind? Well, astral projection offers a universe of possibilities. Imagine visiting distant planets, talking to loved ones who have passed on, or even getting a glimpse of your past lives. Astral projection is more than just an adventure, though. It can help you grow spiritually, understand yourself better, and even find answers to life's big questions. It's a journey of self-discovery and wonder. Before you blast off on your astral adventure, it's important to prepare your mind and body. Think of it like packing your bags for a trip. You want to make sure you have everything you need. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be your bedroom, a cozy corner in your home, or even a peaceful spot in nature. Make sure the temperature is comfortable and dim the lights. It's time to relax and unwind. Section 5. Relaxation. Your ticket to take off. Relaxation is the key to astral projection. If your mind is racing and your body is tense, it will be much harder to separate. Imagine trying to fly a kite in a hurricane. There are many ways to relax. You can try deep breathing exercises, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your pre-projection routine. Section 6. Guided Meditation, your first astral steps. Now that you're relaxed and comfortable, it's time to begin your guided meditation. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and exhaling fully. Feel the tension melt away with each breath. Visualize yourself climbing a staircase, each step taking you deeper into relaxation. As you reach the top, you see a door. Open the door and step into a beautiful garden, a place of peace and tranquility. Section 7. Challenges on your journey. Don't be discouraged if you don't project on your first try. It takes time and practice. Just like learning any new skill, you might experience some bumps along the way, but that's okay. It's all part of the learning process. One common challenge is fear. You might feel a rush of energy or hear strange noises. Don't panic. These are normal sensations. Just focus on your breath and remind yourself that you are safe. Section 8. Tips for astral success. Here are a few tips to help you on your astral journey. Embarking on an astral journey can be both exciting and challenging. To make the most of your experiences, it's essential to follow some key practices that can enhance your ability to project astrally. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Consistency is crucial in developing any skill, and astral projection is no different. Set aside a specific time each day to meditate and focus on your astral goals. Over time, you'll find that your ability to project becomes more natural and effortless. Keep a journal. Write down your experiences, both good and bad. Documenting your astral journeys can provide valuable insights into your progress and help you understand what techniques work best for you. Additionally, reviewing your journal entries can reveal patterns and recurring themes that may be significant to your growth. This will help you track your progress and identify any patterns. By keeping a detailed record, you can pinpoint specific triggers or obstacles that may be affecting your ability to project. This self-awareness is essential for overcoming challenges and refining your techniques. Don't give up. Astral projection is a skill that takes time and patience to master. It's important to remain patient and persistent, even when progress seems slow. Remember that every small step forward is a victory, and each attempt brings you closer to your goal. Don't get discouraged if you don't succeed right away. It's common to face setbacks and challenges along the way. Instead of viewing these as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. With each attempt, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the astral realm and your own capabilities. Remember, everyone is different. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to explore various techniques and approaches to find what resonates with you. Be open to experimenting with different methods, such as guided meditations, binaural beats, or visualization exercises. Experiment and find what works best for you. The journey to mastering astral projection is a personal one, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Trust your intuition and be willing to adapt your practices as needed. By staying flexible and open-minded, you'll discover the techniques that best support your unique astral journey. Section 9. Patience, young Padawan. Learning to astral project is like learning to ride a bike. It takes time, practice, and a few tumbles along the way. Be patient with yourself and don't give up if you don't succeed right away. The most important thing is to enjoy the journey. Relax, have fun, and trust in the process. You might be surprised at what you discover about yourself and the universe along the way. Section 10. Enjoy the ride. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of astral projection. Remember, this is just the beginning of your adventure. There's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored. So, go forth, intrepid explorers. Embrace the unknown, trust your intuition, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. Happy travels!